Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Magenta. If you are new here, thank you for coming over, and if you are returning, thank you for coming back. If you all do not know, on this channel I am going to be posting reviews, hauls, and a lot of other great things that we all want to see. But before I get started, I just want to let you all know, make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Magenta Did That. Backup Instagram, it is also Magenta Did That. And then by all means, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This week I have a lot of packages that have already started rolling in, and I do have packages from last week that I have not been able to get to yet. So today we are going to start unboxing some of those packages. I am going to start off today by unboxing this box, and I am going to also unbox this package as well. Both of these came from the same vendor, and this one came from another vendor, but both vendors I work with all the time. So if you all have purchased any other shoes from me, 9 times out of 10 they've come from this vendor, so I'm pretty sure you all are going to be happy with the products. So I'm gonna open this one first. So right here we have a pair of Nike SB Dunks. Backwards. Now the other shoe is completely different. I'm gonna show them both to you at the same time so you can get a good view. So these are called the What the Paul Dunks. And really, when I saw them, I was like, what the hell? Like, I wasn't expecting, I mean, I saw the pattern on the one shoe, but for some reason, my mind did not wrap around that the other shoe was going to be completely different. But when I got them and I saw them, I was like, yes, they are everything. So let's get into both the shoes. As you can see, completely different. But the scheme and the pattern on both of them are so abstract, so amazing. Look at the Nike sign, and then look at this one, and then turn this one around, and then turn this one around. Like, you can't tell me that these bad boys are not fat. Like, I love everything about them. It's a mix of like patterns and animal prints, colors, and rainbows. Take a look at the back. It has his signature on them. On this one, it has the Nike sign. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. Now, these shoes on GOAT are retailing for about $542, and they are going to the highest bidder right now on StockX at about $400. Now, if you were to buy these shoes from the plug, from them guys over there at the fence, as always, to access any of my shoes, just click on my link. I'm going to have it in the description box below. Click on my link, and everything that I show you all will always be linked in my link tree. Okay, so here are the What the Pauls on my link tree. I'm just gonna, okay, so yeah, it's gonna take you to the vendor that I purchased these from. These specific shoes are $74. And with the shipping is kind of high. Shipping will be about $30 to $35. So all in all, you're looking about $110 for these. The quality of the shoes are outstanding. Like, all the stitching is crazy. Like, you cannot go wrong. So if you're looking for a more affordable option, I would definitely suggest you go ahead and buy these from the plug and save your coins. Save your coins. And, you know, budget them, you know, throughout a few pair of sneakers that you like. Now, next, I'm going to get into these Nikes. Whew. Yes, these right here are the Nike Dunks in Neptune Green. Great shoe to add to your collection. Look at the double Nike check. Like, beautiful. Take a look at the tongue. And look at the other side. Now these are more like a suede material. Even this part is suede. There is no leather on the shoe except for like the bottom. I highly recommend. And then look at the details. It has like these, what's that card game? It was some type of little block game that I used to play a long time ago, where you had the little, it looked like domino pieces, but they had like Chinese symbols on it. Yeah, so they have these little symbols on the shoe. Let me show you the other shoe. And it also comes with the extra pair of laces. So I'm gonna show them to you both at the same time. I would think that these were a great shoe to add to your fall collection. Now this vendor right here is excellent. I have never had any problems with them. They ship their products fairly fast, and they wrap them and box them very, very, very neatly. I would definitely suggest you work with this vendor specifically. I have a lot of other great vendors, but I just love the way they package their shoes. You can guarantee that they're gonna get to you how they're supposed to get to you. And yeah, I love them. I love them. Okay, so next we are going to go ahead and hop into this pack right here. And this vendor also does a great job at making sure your package arrives to you how it's supposed to be. Not only do they use bubble wrap, but they use the big thick bubble wrap, not the one with the little bitty dots. That bubble wrap is complete trash. It does not protect anything, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and pull these out. I've been waiting so long. I was skeptical about getting these because so many people have already had them, but I'm like, shit, I ain't got them, okay? So what that got to do with me? So they come in a bag, and let's get into the shoe. Like, animal prints, different color, textures, like everything about this shoe is very, very, very creative. We got different animal prints right here. We got different color scheme. The red part is leather, where the blue check is suede. But check this out. This part is like a fur. Like, come on. They snizzy snap when they made this shoe, honey. Let me show y'all the other one. The great thing I do like about this shoe compared to the What the Paws is that the scheme is a little bit more cohesive than the other shoe. But all in all, they are both artistically creative. As you can see, the front part where the laces are different colors on the shoes. And the back part with a Nike sign is different colors as well. But for the most part, the shoe is very cohesive. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. I love them. And they also come with an extra pair of laces. So on GOAT, these are going for about $481, and on StockX, I think the bid is about up to $200. If you was to get these from the guys over there at the fence, they are selling them for $51.41, and shipping is about $18. So I would highly recommend that if you are trying to buy several pair of shoes in order to increase your savings, you can buy multiples at one time. That will help you save a few more coins. And don't forget, the store always has coupons. Like if you spend a certain amount of money, you get a certain amount of money off. And the platform has coupons as well. So you can stack the store coupon and the platform coupon with each other, and buying multiple shoes will also save you money at checkout. So thank you all for stopping by. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions about any of the shoes that I reviewed here today, go ahead and leave me a comment at the bottom. Follow me on TikTok, follow my Instagram, and yeah, as always, go ahead and get you some.